Curly's waiting for a few more sausages. Yes, I know you are. Right. Ted, shush. That's enough. That's enough. Sarah?
Yeah, I've got hidden secrets in barbecue. Has anyone ever tried chicken goujons on a barbecue?
They are the absolute best.
Crispy, succulent and juicy. Try it.
The chicken stays soft with a crispy outer casing. Oh, they're marvellous. Yeah, sir. Show them what it tastes like. Do you hear that then?
Oh!
You see that? Ted's nearly whipped it out your hand.
Ted!
Ted, don't do that. That's naughty.
You nearly bit your finger off. That was naughty.
He's still hungry, bless you.
Right. It's a hard life being a teenager. And you got Greg still raving.
Better than I die.
Well.
Huh? It's like, isn't it, being a teenager?
Yeah. The joys.
Hard life. Cornerstone pizza. Wood-fired pizza. Everyone's having these, and it looks nice. I haven't had one. Don't know whether the boys are going to have one in a minute, but we'll see. We was going to send the drone up, but I think Curly's having a few problems. What's happening? Let's have a look. How picturesque does that look over there? Unbelievable.
Look at this.
Right, we tried to get a pizza, but they were sold out, so it's like 8 o'clock, sold out already. So if you do come here, order your pizzas quick, because they do get sold out. It's gone, all the ingredients is gone. We are going back to the van now. We tried to get the drone up as well, but for some reason that didn't work.
Got to download it again.
So that never worked.
Hopefully we can get some footage.
Curly's trying to download the new app, and hopefully it'll work then, but we'll see what happens. So it looks like we're going to retire back to the van, and I know I've got rice cakes, so it'll all be alright. Can't beat a rice cake. Right, everyone's got the fire pits out. They're all burning the wood, the
grass,
having a the grass, having a soiree on the evening. The boys are asleep or going to sleep. Sarah's chilling out. Ted's already had enough, so I think it's time to retire to the van, and we'll see you in the morning. Just had a bit of a shock. It didn't turn out to be as big a shock as I thought.
There was no shock at all.
There wasn't a shock. I was still half asleep. I got out.
I
walked round here, round the tent. I've gone over there, and where's the scooter gone?
Digby put the scooter in the tent.
Curly'd put it away, thankfully.
And then he says, oh, the radio's gone.
I thought it was...
the radio's in the camper.
And then I thought, where's the radio gone? We've been robbed.
panic over. They were just put away.
I woke Sarah up, obviously, to investigate.
I think he's done it on purpose to wake me up.
And it was all there, it was in the tent, so fine. Panic over.
You're leaning on it, Joe.
I'm trying to pull it tight then. Yeah, try not. Well, that's on my finger. I can't get my finger out. It's stuck. Use heavy breathing down here. Good now. There you go. Ta-da.
So we're heading off again. A lovely campsite, a lovely lake. The boys went out on the kayak.
What was that called? I forgot.
Oh yeah, nearly forgot. The boys went out on the kayak yesterday afternoon. It was a bit nippy. Well, the wind. It was a bit windy, wasn't it?
Windy. I wouldn't say nippy.
No, that's a lovely view over there. If you can see it.
As demonstrated by Greg.
Thank you, Greg.
Lake BALA.
Assistance.
Yep, okay. Glamorous assistant.
The boys did go down to get a pizza. What time was that?
7:30, but they'd sold out.
7:30, but they had sold out. But we did go down earlier on in the day and asked what time they were open till, and they did say 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
And they were sold out by 7:30.
A little bit disappointed.
So I think on the way home we may have to stop off to get some breakfast because I think they might be hungry.
I'm starving.
Greg's starving.
Only had a couple of sausages last night.
No, you had pork as well.
One piece of pork.
And you had a
Dropped the other one, Ted bloody ate it.
You did.
And then I had a couple of sausages.
Right, let's rate this campsite then. Toilet blocks, clean, tidy. What about yours?
Clean, tidy.
A lot better than the last campsite.
I can only say 10 out of 10 because the cleaners were going in and out all afternoon.
Yep.
All evening, weren't they?
Everyone was really friendly on the campsite. It was a little shock that you could get your bare essentials. I mean, I forgot the towels, but luckily the shop was selling towels.
Yeah.
So I redeemed myself.
So
there.
the shop's got to be a 10 out of 10.
Shop's 10 out of 10.
Trouble.
Lake, 10 out of 10. So overall, the campsite, I would say it was a nice campsite, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Overall, I'd give it probably an 8.5.
8 out of 10, I would say. Very nice, tidy, clean sides. The pizza let it down. Obviously, that's not. I don't think that's to do with the campsite. I think he comes in.
He just comes in on a Saturday.
But he needs to get more pizza bases.
But I would definitely recommend it, and
if he brings more dough next time, he'll make more dough.
I would definitely recommend it to everyone if you're heading down to Wales.
And if it's a red hot, I can only imagine if it was red hot summer's day,
It would be lovely.
it would be gorgeous. That'd be the icing on the cake. And the lake is gigantic. You can't see it from one side to the other. We're still alongside the lake now, and we've been travelling for 2 miles.
Yeah, so it's definitely one to recommend, and especially if you're into your water sports. You can't take jet skis on there, but you can do the kayaking, the paddle boarding.
Yeah.
I mean, there was some boats. Swimming. There was some smaller boats as well.
Yeah, little sailboats.
Little sailboats. So definitely, yeah.
Get
If
up
you're
there
into your
with
water
canoes.
sports, definitely go and give it a visit.
Yeah, get your scuba diving gear on. It's only about 3 foot deep, I think. I don't know about. We didn't wade all the way out, but we looked at some people quite far out, and they were still up to the waist.
Yeah. We
I
have
didn't
looked.
measure them before they went out, so they could have been 25 foot tall. But
We have looked at properties in the area, and I will put that on the screen for you now to see what you can get for your money. don't remember any of this.
It's like one of them films, you know, in America. The truck comes up behind.
Rams you off the road.
Yeah, baby. And like, you know what I mean?
You never see him again.
Then you never see them again then.
No,
They're locked
you'll
in
never
a
see him
dungeon
again.
in some little farmhouse in the middle of nowhere. And you look down the well and you can hear them. Hello. Anyway. Is it mental in that?
Look down there.
I can't look. Well, I can't look down there, so my eyes.
I think Greg's a bit nervous. Are you alright,
I
Greg?
can't look, man.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Are you a bit worried?
Yeah, I don't like it.
Just look down.
No, sir.
Just have a little look.
I really don't like it.
Oh, don't be a big baby. You alright, Greg?
No.
There's a van coming towards us, so be very careful. Wonder how many cars have got into a bit of bother on these roads.
So this is a route.
You see the next video, we made it.
I'm having a panic attack, man.
You're not?
I'm not joking.
Let's get the brown bag out, Greg. I think we're out of danger.
Not quite just yet, but
We've just gone over a grid on the road, which Greg says it's to keep the mountain sheep in.
yeah.
So as we entered it, we went over one. So I'm guessing that that's
We were up
the end.
in snow down here then. Do you know what I
I've
mean?
never been that road before.
Never been that route before.
We'll do it again.
I'm never going up there again. I can't wait to get out of the car now. I'm just going to pull over when we get to the bottom.
It's going to go in the bushes. It's going to go in.
I swear to God.
Are you sweating?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're in Lalang. I can't say. Lanlanog. I need to do a bit of practice on my Welsh accent. Not my accent, but you know, pronunciation.
Accent.
Accent.
Why is that then? That's your accent.
Yeah.
Not the what's that do then? Oh, I see.
You always said the same thing then.
Yeah, that's all I know. That's my Welsh. That's the only Welsh I know.
Right, I think we're just entering. Looks like a little village, doesn't it?
Tanat Valley.
My ears have gone.
Come on. There's a campsite here.
I've got them back, I've yawned. Oh, look.
Sarah's just called me a big baby, right? Anyone out there, right, that suffers with vertigo will understand what I'm saying. I've never had a problem with heights.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto B4396.
I've never had a problem with heights until a couple of years ago when I realised I can't do it. And going down that mountain, I literally nearly cried. My eyes welled up. They're still a little bit like that now. I just can't do it.
Take the next
She kept
left
saying,
onto
look down, I can't look down.
B4396.
If you've ever, this one here, yeah. If you've ever had it, right? If anyone's had it, yeah, you'll know. Put it in the comments down below to share my fear.
Right, we're just on the M54, just heading home. I think we've got about an hour to go, so we're going to leave it there and we'll see you next time. And don't forget, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
If you want to see more videos like this,
If you want to see more videos like this.
see you on the next one.